Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to print all odd numbers in a range. So firstly, let us understand what are odd numbers. So, odd number is a number which is not divisible by 2. For example, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. All these numbers are called odd number. So let's start by the program. In the first line, the program first asks the user to input start, means the starting of the range, and in the second line, it prompts the user to enter the end of the range. Now, in the next line, this line prints a helpful message to let the user know that the program is doing. It tells them it will print odd numbers between the values between the starting range till the end range. Now let's move to the next line. In this line, this loop will go through each number starting from start and stopping at end. Here we use end plus 1 because the range function excludes the last number and adding 1 ensures the end value is included. Now in the next line, here the operator calculates the remainder when dividing number by 2. If the remainder is not 0, it means the number is odd. Now, in the next line, if the number is odd, it is printed. Here, and is equals to ensures the numbers are printed on the same line separated by spaces. So, let's check this program. I am entering the starting range. Now, I am entering the end of this range. Hence, we got all the odd numbers from starting range till the end range. So, thanks for watching this video.